Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming mobile data is active and the phone is unlocked. This provides the carrier link your PC will use. Once done, connect with a reliable USB cable to avoid intermittent drops. On most Android phones, you'll find USB tethering under network or hotspot settings. Enable it. Windows should discover a new network adapter. If prompted, accept driver installation on the PC so the tethering interface becomes usable. These steps make the phone act as a wired modem for the computer. Once the phone advertises tethering, Windows or Mac OS creates a new network adapter. Open network settings to confirm it shows as connected. Make sure the adapter is set to obtain an IP address automatically. That lets the phone hand out correct IP, DNS, and gateway. If your PC prefers another interface, change network priority or temporarily disable Wi-Fi so traffic routes over USB. Allow any driver prompts. They implement RNDIS or CDC networking, so packets flow between your. To finish, verify internet by loading a website or pinging a public IP to separate DNS problems from connectivity. Once satisfied, disable USB tethering to conserve battery and data. The phone returns to normal. If you hit problems, first toggle USB tethering and reconnect. That often resets the interface. Make sure the USB cable supports data, try another port, and reinstall the PC drivers if the adapter never appears. If necessary, restart both devices. This clears locked network stacks and resolves most stubborn failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.